got home from Stockholm, Sweden, and I want to give you a review of the Hilton Stockholm Slussen.
All right, we are here at the Hilton Slussen in Stockholm, and I have to tell you, we've been staying at kind of not so nice hotels the last couple days, and this is just amazing. It's so exciting. Bathtub. Oh, do these open? No, maybe not. There's some mirrors here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, coffee. Haven't had in-room coffee all week. Oh, some nice closets. Wow. I'm so impressed by everything just because we stayed in an Airbnb one time, which was fine, but you know, Airbnb. And then we stayed at this not so nice hotel in Amsterdam, which was totally my fault. It looked nice in the pictures. Nice big mirror. Ooh. View of the city. I'll show you in the morning. We got here pretty late, but oh, so nice. It's so exciting.
The breakfast at the Hilton Slussen was pretty nice. It kind of had everything. It had English breakfast, it had Nordic breakfast, it had American breakfast, and they even had an egg guy, which was really nice. It was an add-on, so you do need to pay for it when you reserve, or I think you can pay for it when you check in as well, but I definitely thought it was worth it. I'm good, thank you. They also had a restaurant there. We didn't eat there, but it looked pretty nice, so I definitely would recommend if you want to eat there, they do have that option. The views from the hotel were amazing. The lobby was really nice. Obviously, you're not going to spend a ton of time there, but there was plenty of places to work if you need to do that. There were a lot of conferences while we were there too, so that was pretty cool. One thing I was concerned about with this hotel was that it was going to be kind of far from Gamla or there'd be no way to get there, but there's actually a perfect walkway, which is not far at all. There's a subway stop or a metro stop, so it's right there. The views were also amazing to Gamla. You see the whole city from your hotel. And the service, as with most Hiltons, was just pretty awesome. I, of course, am a Hilton person, so I love pretty much everything about Hiltons generally, but this one was definitely top of its class. I would stay at the Hilton Slussen if you are headed to Stockholm.